Do you feel your brain just shuts down after 30 minutes of studying? Then this video is for you. You are not lazy at science, and here's how to hack it. Use the study techniques below. 1. Pomodoro Technique with active breaks. Study smarter with the science of Pomodoro. Researchers have found that our attention span naturally drops after about 20 to 30 minutes. That's why the Pomodoro Technique works so well. 25 minutes of focus followed by a 5-minute break. But here's the twist. Don't spend that break scrolling TikTok. Studies show that active breaks like stretching, walking, or even drinking water help reset your brain and improve focus. Think of it as a mental sprint, not a marathon. Try this for your next study session and comment below how many Pomodoros you survived today. 2. Spaced repetition beats cramming. Why cramming doesn't work, and what does cramming feels productive, but science proves it's a memory killer. Let me show you the smarter way. Psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered the forgetting curve. Basically, we forget most of what we learn within days if we don't review it. Reviewing material at increasing intervals, like 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, dramatically boosts long-term memory. If you want to actually remember what you study, start spacing your reviews. Smash that like button if you're done with cramming forever. 3. Your study space matters. Your desk is secretly sabotaging you. What if I told you your messy desk is lowering your grades? Science backs this up. Studies show that clutter increases cognitive load. Basically, your brain wastes energy processing distractions. A clean, minimal study space helps your brain focus on the task at hand. Ambient noise or lo-fi beats can improve concentration for many students. It's called the library effect. Your brain associates the environment with focus. Clean your desk, set the vibe, and watch your grades climb. Comment your favorite study playlist below. 4. Sleep is the ultimate study hack. Lastly, the #1 study hack you're ignoring is good sleep. Pulling all-nighters. Science says you're erasing your own memory. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories. Basically, it files away what you studied into long-term storage. Students who sleep after studying recall more than those who stay awake, according to multiple studies. So instead of cramming until 3 a.m., review your notes before bed and aim for 7 or 9 hours of sleep. Your brain is literally studying while you sleep. Hit subscribe if you're ready to ditch the all-nighters.